Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking energy, have to talk about natural gas today, up 3% after a Friday performance being up 3.5%. The rally extends today. We now are up 9 of the last 13 sessions in natural gas. This is only the second day of October, but this would be the third consecutive month that we would be higher if we finished higher, and also the third consecutive week if we finish the week higher. Again, it's only Tuesday. It could turn around, but considering today's rally along with Monday's rally, it's pretty unlikely that we turn negative on the week. There aren't that many factors that could do it. We are still going to be waiting for the EIA's natural gas inventories on Thursday, but again, they would have to come out extremely bearish. And considering we got some demand reports lately that show demand is up, not just based on the seasonals. This is a very strong seasonal time for natural gas, but the day-to-day demand has been much, much stronger. For example, yesterday's demand showing 22.2 billion cubic feet, and that's about 10 billion cubic feet higher than yesterday and last year. Today looks likely to be the same. So the demand is not only from seasonals, but also a little bit from some of the nuclear power plant closures for maintenance. Now, they don't close entire nuclear power plants down when they do this maintenance, but they close sections of it, just like with the crude oil refineries. And because the world has gone dramatically toward nuclear power in certain areas of the globe, this is a global demand story, then LNG and natural gas gets an extra boost in demand during those particular moments. And then the seasonal demand, of course, with weather. Speaking of weather, we don't have extremely cold temperatures yet, but what we have across the U.S. is rain and mild cold. And when you include the moisture in with that, you tend to get a little spike in demand for heating, even though the temperatures don't necessarily define extreme demand conditions, because we are seeing 50s and 60s across the north and the northeast. We're not seeing us drop into the 40s or 30s, which is consistent with that strong weather-based demand. The rain that comes along with it tends to make it feel a little bit more cold, certainly more damp, and that sparks a little bit more of the natural gas heating demand that we tend to see this time of year. This is Bob Iaccino talking about natural gas, which reached 312.25 on its highs today, settling near that level from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.